Did your car just take a beating from a hailstorm? If so, you're not alone. But the good news is, it might be easier to fix than you think. Hail damage can leave dozens, if not hundreds, of small dings across your vehicle's roof, hood, or body panels. But that doesn't always mean a full body repair or a complete repaint. This is where paintless dent repair, or PDR, comes into play. It's a specialized technique that gently massages dents out from behind the panel without sanding, fillers, or repainting. The result? Your vehicle looks like it never got hit, while keeping its original factory finish intact. PDR is faster than traditional repairs. It's often more affordable and helps maintain your car's value since the original paint stays untouched. If your car has been hit by hail, don't wait. Stop by Patrick Auto Body and have our certified technicians restore your vehicle the right way. Schedule your hail inspection today at Patrick Auto Body.